Flossing is considered the most effective way to clean between your teeth. But if you find flossing too much of a challenge, try flossing your teeth with water. Flossing with water involves using a device called an oral irrigator or dental water jet that aims a stream of pulsating water at your teeth. A water jet can help loosen and remove food particles and the bacterial coating that develops on the surfaces of your teeth. They can be an excellent aid for cleaning between the teeth and gums, around dental bridges and braces, for cleaning between misaligned teeth and between hard-to-reach back teeth. Remember, brushing alone won't get in between teeth to prevent tooth loss. Cleaning all surfaces of your teeth is important to prevent cavities and gum disease.